Hi, so this is how you can request items or free products from YesStyle using the app. Remember that this is only available for star influencers of YesStyle. Click the influencer tab and claim now for the sponsored products. So you can choose between the sponsored products featured on the tab. So you can browse by clicking on the pictures of the items. So for this month, I'll be getting the Skin 100 for Ampule. Click the button Get It Now. Next is to read the terms and condition of YesStyle for claiming free products. So if you would read that one, you need to post about the products that you will get. Click on the checkbox and click Get It Now. So as you could see, it's in the bag already. Let's check. So you could now proceed with the checkout. Click Continue to proceed with the checkout. So as you can see, there is an estimated ship out date which is July 16. So for the checkout process, there are a lot of options on how to pay the item. So as for me, I'll be using my commissions. So there is a 15% cashback if you use your commission for the shipping fee. So let's now place our order and it's done. If I'm not using my commission as mode of payment, I use PayMaya. So I'll show you the cashback that I get. Ask me some questions if you need help. Thanks!